Hello everybody. In our previous lecture we discussed exclusive OR. So as we discussed earlier, exclusive OR is a binary logical connective. uh, this is binary because if we want to use exclusive OR, then minimum we will require two connectives. Okay, so P and Q. So in case of exclusive OR, if both are same, that may be either true or either false, result will be false, and for different values, result will be true. Okay, so in this session we'll discuss one more uh, logical connective. Okay, that is if then logical connective. If then logical connective, it is also called as implication in discrete structure. What I said, if then logical connective is also called as implication in discrete structure. Okay, and it is denoted by using this symbol. See here, it is mentioned this symbol. Okay, so if then logical connective is also a binary logical connective. So binary means, now I think you are quite familiar with this term. Binary means minimum we will require two propositions. So here we are having two proposition, and if you are dealing with two proposition, then as I said earlier, first proposition you have to write in this way, that is 2 times true and 2 times false, and second proposition you have to write alternative true and false. Okay, now the point that you have to remember in case of if then is, in case of if then, if, remember, see, this type of the sequence is also important here. In case of if then, if first proposition is true and second proposition is false, then result is false, then only result is false, otherwise in all other cases result is true. What I said, as I said earlier, okay, you have to remember sequence as well. In case of if then, that is in case of implication, if first proposition is true and second proposition is false, then only result is false, otherwise in all other cases, result is true. Okay, see, all other cases means if both are true, then its implication is also true. If first is false, second is true, implication result is true. If both are false, implication result is true. Okay, so when implication result is false, there is only one situation. If first is true and second is false, then only false, otherwise this is true. Okay, so how to remember? In case of and, initially what I said, if both are true, result will be true. In case of or, if both are false, result will be false, otherwise true. And in case of exclusive, if same values are there, it may be either true or false, result will be false, otherwise true. And what about if then, that is implication, if first is true and second is false, then result will be false, otherwise in all other cases it is what, it is true. Okay, I hope you are getting this point. Now we will discuss one more logical connective, that is if and only if and only if. So it is also called as biconditional logical connective, and it is denoted by using this symbol. Okay, now see, uh, how to remember this truth table for biconditional is, in case of biconditional, if same input values are given, that is either true or false, then result will be true, otherwise result will be false. How to remember biconditional or if and only if both are true or both are false, then result is true, otherwise it is false. See, this biconditional is exactly opposite to XOR. In case of XOR, exclusive OR, what I said, if both are true or both are false, then result will be what, false, but opposite to this one, in case of biconditional, if both are true or both are false, then result is true, otherwise false. Means what we can say, exclusive OR and biconditional are exactly opposite to each other. Okay, so this is a last logical connective. Initially, see, again I just want to revise all, because as I said earlier, we have to take reference of all during problems. Okay, so first one is negation. Negation we all know, true false and false true. Okay, then and, in case of and, what I said, if both are true, result will be true, otherwise result will be false. In case of or, if both are false, then result is false, otherwise true. In case of exclusive OR, if same values are there, it will be either true or false, result will be false, otherwise result will be true. In case of implication, that is in case of if, then if first is true, remember this sequence is very important, if first is true and second is false, then only result is false, otherwise in all other cases it is what, it is true. And in case of biconditional, if both are same, that is either true or false, result will be true, otherwise it is false. So as I said earlier, exclusive OR and biconditional are opposite to each other. Okay, so this is all about the truth table of all logical connectives. Okay, and use of logical connectives, what I said, they are used to connect two propositions together, more than one propositions together. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. If you are finding any difficulty in understanding any point, then you can drop me a message on Google Classroom, otherwise you can drop me a message on WhatsApp as well. Okay, so that's all for this session. Remaining part we'll discuss in our next session. Thank you.